Hey guys, this is Thomas from Support. Today we're talking about why and how to protect your Polaroid original photos from light. After the photo got ejected, quickly turn the camera by 180 degrees or take the picture with the dark slide. Put it on the side with the developing picture. Then quickly place the picture in a bag, pocket, book, or let it develop face down. Be careful to not bend it. Avoid exposing and developing in direct sunlight. This will cause overexposure and reddening of the final result. The Polaroid Originals instant photos are no longer sensitive to light after a few minutes, but it will take up to 30 minutes to fully develop the picture. The long time of the development process is mainly caused by the so-called opacification layer. It is a blue layer within the film, which protects the lower, light-sensitive layers from light. Instant film contains a regular film negative, which is why the photo is sensitive to light until it is fully developed. Think of the opacification layer, or opacifier, as a chemical curtain that needs to be drawn over the film to protect the image you've created. The opacifier isn't perfect protection. Therefore, we recommend using the Polaroid Originals Film Shield, a device that can be installed in most Polaroid cameras, which helps to further protect your pictures.